Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this how many likes filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, it's in my favorite now. Let me close this. Okay, look in your trending for this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter in your trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for how many likes. There are many filters here, but I'm going to use the second one. I like the second one. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, in my For You page I have this video. Okay, so go to search and search for how many likes filter. Okay, so as you can see on the top row, the effect icon is there. Just tap there and you'll be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, likewise to use this filter, what you can do, just tap on the record button, then tap on the screen. Okay, that's how many likes I can get. Okay. Okay, and done. Okay, good figure. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.